What's up everyone? So my name is Adolfo. I'm the team leader for the Aguirre Realty Group with EXP here in Los Angeles. And today I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of being a real estate agent. So before I start telling you the good things about being a real estate agent, I'm going to start with the cons. So con number one. Unfortunately, most people are going to doubt you, including your friends and family. And the reason is because most agents in this business quit or fail within the first 2 years. And of the remaining, actually only a handful are successful. Con number two, it's so easy to get your license, okay? And this may be a pro for some of you, but I believe it's actually a con because if it's so easy to get your license, that means that anyone is going to be able to get into real estate. So with that being said, one, as a professional, start seeing people who actually don't take the business serious, who maybe do it part-time, or if maybe do it full-time, but they just don't care about learning, becoming better. They have a big ego, and just, it's very, very unfortunate. Con number three, there is a lack of formal training. If you're used to being an employee in a 9-to-5 job, you know that most of the cases you get a 2, 3, or 4 week formal training before you start the job. Now in real estate, you get your license and you're ready to go. Now, there is companies like EXP that offer training on an ongoing basis, and you want to make sure that you take those trainings as much as you can, but don't just take them, also apply what you learn to your job. So what are the pros of being a real estate agent? Number one is that you are an independent contractor. So means that you make your own schedule, you are your own boss, and unfortunately, if you don't show up, you just won't get paid. So you have to show up, you have to put in the work, and yes, you get paid for what you produce. So pro number two, there is potential to make a lot of money by helping people. So at the beginning, it may be a little challenging to make a lot of money or get a lot of clients, but as the time goes by, you get better skills, you become better at what you do, real estate, and therefore you get more clients. You get referrals from past clients. So all you have to do is just keep getting better and better and talking to more people so people know that you are an agent